Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will discuss about calculator or how we can use calculator in AutoCAD. So calculator is in home tab under utilities group. You can see this is the group. I will just click on this drop down arrow, and from here you can see this is the calculator. If you want to activate the calculator, you will just select this one, okay, this icon, and calculator will be activated here. Now if you want to just add something, multiply something, divide something, you can add from here. And if you want to use the calculator as a scientific purpose, you can use that one also. And if you want to convert some units, you can use that one also. Okay, so for example, I want to just add, so what I will do, I will just clear this one with this button. Okay, I can clear this field, writing field, from this button, and then what I will do, I will just write here 1, then 0, 10 plus, for example, 23. Okay, then I will hit what, equal. Okay, equal from this palette, not from keyboard. Okay, make sure that you are going to select from mouse. Okay, this equal. Now it is giving me the answer. Now if I want to just clear the history, I can just clear history from here, you can see. And if you want to just clear this field, you can clear from here, okay, from this icon. Again, if you want to use calculator for scientific purpose, for example, I want sine 30, okay, here, so I will write here 30, then I will press here sine. Okay, also it will give me the value of sine 30. I will just press equal. Now it is 0.5. okay, and if you want to just convert something, you can convert as well. I want to just clear this one. Okay, and unit conversion is here. Okay, for example, this is the length. Okay, and you can just convert from area, volume, angular. Okay, there are a lot of options. So I want to just select unit type as a length. I want to just convert meter to centimeter, for example. Okay, so I will select here in this field as meter, then I will select here as millimeter, centimeter. Okay, now here I will just give a value of 1. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now you can see in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. So this is the option that you can just convert the unit as well. Now there are some more benefit in calculator. Let's see how to use this. Okay, so I will close from here. What I will do, I want to draw here a line of some 23.3 unit. What, 23.3 unit. Okay, and I will give first point, then I will give a unit. Okay, then I will hit enter. Now this is the line of 23.3 unit. Now what I want to just draw a one more line of half of this line. Okay, so I will just activate line command. I will give first point from here. I want to start. Okay, then instead of giving the half of this one, what I will do, I will right click here. I will go into the quick calculator option here, you can see. Okay, now what I will do, here is one option of measuring what distance between 2 points. So what I will do, I will just click on this one. Now I will measure this line first. Okay, what is the size of this line? Now it is just giving me that the line is 23.3. okay, now what I want half of this. Okay, so I will just divide it to 2. Okay, then I will hit enter. Now this is 11.65, so I will just apply this one. Now I will, you can see here that it is giving the value here 11.65. automatic it copy the value here in command line, then I will hit enter. Now you can see this is the half of this line. So this is the benefit of calculator as well. Okay, so it will just reduce your time and effort. Okay, so I will come out of command with escape key. Now I just want to draw here a triangle, for example. Okay, now I will go here. I will just select polygon options. Okay, so here it is giving me that how many sides do you need. Definitely I need 3 sides, so I will just enter 3. I will hit enter, then I will right click here. I need edges option. Okay, now I will give first point. Okay, and then I will give second point. Okay, now here in this triangle, center of this triangle, I want to draw circle. So let's see how to just draw with calculator option. Okay, so I will activate circle command. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about the center point. Okay, so I will right click here. I will go into the calculator. Now I will give here a condition. Okay, I will start the bracket. I will write here end plus end. Okay, plus end. Okay, then I will close the bracket, divided by what, 3. Okay, there are 3 points. Then I will just hit enter. Now it is asking about that give 3 points. Okay, this is first point, then this is second point, then this is third point. Okay, now it will give me the coordinate of the center of this triangle. Okay, then what I will do, I will hit apply from here. These are the coordinates. I will hit apply. Now it will give me the center of this triangle. Okay, now I want just for example the radius of some 3 unit, okay, of this circle. Then I will hit enter. Now you can see this is the circle under this triangle and in the center of this triangle, okay, of 3 unit of radius. So you can use this calculator according to your need. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.